Good morning, everyone. All right, so today we're going to talk about using some e-research management systems, Destiny and Mackinvia. You have both of these available to you, and I will specify the one I would prefer that you use. Been talking to your social studies teacher. I want my computer move on. There we go. Not sure what's happening. There we go. Sorry about that, small technical difficulties. All right, so we've got Mackinvia and Destiny. I want you to think of these management systems like we're visiting a mall, a really, really big mall. We've got a couple here in Laredo. So when you walk into the mall, you go in and you've got all these stores to choose from. Well, what these systems do is they are going to break it down for you into databases. And these databases are going to help you narrow your search a little bit. That's exactly what we want to do because you all have great minds and sometimes you think of things. All right, so after talking to Mrs. Cadena, your assignment is let's look into World War II. What do you really know about World War II? Got some pictures here to start you thinking about it. Some of the pictures you might actually recognize. Some might spur your imagination. Okay, so you already know when you start searching, 5 basic searches. Keyword, title, author, subject, series. Now, Mrs. Cadena and I are telling you we're talking about World War II, specifically the United States in World War II. So chances are you're going to start looking with a keyword. Now, if you log into your Destiny account, which you have access to, you're going to start with your basic account, right? You're going to go to catalog, library search, basic, then you're going to enter a search term in the find field, which you can see right here. If you look at my screen, your screen is going to look exactly like this. Again, once you've done that, you're going to type something and you're going to choose keyword, title, author, subject, or series. If you do subject, you're going to get your book. Author, maybe you know of an author from World War II that you might find interesting. Maybe you know an actual title. A series, probably not what we're going to start with for a basic search. Chances are, I think you're going to start with a keyword. Now notice here, your keyword searches everything. Everything. So that keyword is going to give you a lot of options. Once you've narrowed it down a little bit, you did a little browsing, you've decided, oh, I want to look at it like this. We're going to do on Destiny, it's called a power search. You've got several drop-down menus here. On the first one, you're going to tell me, do you want a keyword, a title, an author, what has popped up? Then you're going to enter your search term. And on the second, how do you want Destiny to search with those terms? Did you put women and World War II? Did you put fighter planes in World War II? How about the United States in World War II? Right? So then you're going to come over here and you're going to actually tell the program how you want them to use it. Is it going to be all the words? Do you really need all those words? Right? Are you looking for titles? Are you looking for one word that matches? This is your power search in Destiny. Now, I've jumped. Remember I said Destiny and Mackinvia. So you also have access to a program called Mackinvia. When you go log into Mackinvia, it's going to take you straight here to your home page. Notice everything over here, right? Okay, you've got all the books. So all resources, groups, categories, ebooks, databases, I think I've used that word already, audiobooks, videos, and then links. All right, so you're going to start with your home, and we're going to click on databases because I want you to do some searching. Remember what our topic is. All right, so you click on databases, and to start off, everything is going to be here. These are all the databases you have, right? And you can organize them. Look at the top of your screen. You're going to be able to put them alphabetical order, reverse alphabetical order, oldest to newest. All right. If we are looking for the United States, World War II, got world history here. Notice this database, you've got US history. Why are you using these programs as opposed to Google? Because these are secure. They are authorized. They're correct. And this is what I want you to use. Just adding that little bit. Okay, so we've picked the one we want, US history. We're going to open it. And now look what you have as an option, advanced search. This is on the same page of all your databases, right? You can search by your author, your subject, your topic. Each one of these, pop them out. Think about what do you want to do. You are doing a search paper, but notice you've got an interest level and a reading level. You've got Lexile. So if you're not feeling up to reading something heavy duty, go to your interest grade level. Maybe you want to do the reading grade level, right? Because you have to do the research on that. But all of this, and this is in Mackinvia, this is called an advanced search. It's going to help you narrow everything down. So you start really big and then you're working your way in to what you can actually work with for the assignment. There's a lot we can do to narrow what we're searching, right? Now, this is actually going to be on our destiny. You can do location. It's available in basic and power. Are these materials in our school? Are they in the district? Do we need to go to the elementary school? Where do we need to go to find this book? Material type. Again, it's available in basic and power. Do you want an ebook? Probably. Or do you want an actual book? Maybe you're looking at videos. Publication year. Right? Are you looking for something new or do you want something older? Call number. All of these here will help you as you are as you're completing your search. Using some search tools. They're called wildcards. You can use an asterisk to replace any number of letters at the end of a word because you don't know the exact spelling. Yay, rah. I like this one. A question mark will replace single letters. Yes, I know. We have spell check for this, right? Just offering it up. I pronounce it Boolean terms. They're the words and, or, and not. When used in library databases typed between your keywords, they can make each search more precise and save you time. So if you say World War II and women and pilots, you're going to get World War II women pilots. Saves you time. Here's an example of the word and. All the keywords must be found in this article in order for it to appear. Just an example. Here's the word or. It's going to broaden your search. We're talking about World War II. Are we talking about World War II in the Pacific Ocean or the Atlantic Ocean? You will get both of them. If you use the word not, I don't want to know anything about World War II outside of the United States, then you're only going to get the United States. Now, there are some stop words. We like these too. They're extremely common words. You already do this when you text people. Commonly known as stop words, and they're ignored. You really need to say, I'm looking for the women in World War II. Right? We don't need the word the. So here are an example of common stop words. Right? All there. Good for you to look at. You don't need them. Take them out. The computer will, but you can too. All right, now we have something called I'm going to mispronounce it, truncation and wildcards. They help you with your search. Do you have to use them? No. But notice, here we go. Question mark. I don't know how to spell. Do I want to spell woman or women? So I put a question mark. Here, I'm going to use an asterisk to match a 0 or more characters. So I want to write the word character, but I don't know how to spell it. So I'm going to throw in that asterisk. Of course, I'm going to get more options, but at least it narrows it down for me. All right. Good luck with your searching, people. There is a worksheet that I'll be passing out with just a few more tips. Thank you for your time.